I'm now going to show you how you can use your calculator to check your derivatives. Once you've taken the derivative of a function, then we can check it. I didn't have this capability back when I was in school because I didn't have a calculator. But first thing you need to do is press y equals. Make sure your calculator's on. Type your derivative into y1. Then in y2, press Math and select number 8, which is in derived. This is asking for the numerical derivative. You type in your original function. You press the comma key, which is right above number 7. Press X. Press the comma key again and press another X, and in the parentheses. You put this first X in to tell the calculator what your independent variable is. That's how they made the TI. The next X, I could put in a specific number, but I want the table to generate it, so the calculator will read that. Next thing you do is press second graph for the table feature, and if you found the derivative correctly, then your y1 will equal y2. Now I've got the old version calculator on here. Some of y'all might have the new operating system. If you do, and you do these steps up here, when you press the Math 8 for in derive, yours will look like this. You'll put an X right here to tell it the independent variable. You put your function inside, your original function inside the parentheses, and over here you put another X. So you're doing the same thing as the old operating system, it just has a different format. I've got a little example, so we're going to see if we can work it. First thing I need you to do is find your derivative, and it should be a negative y prime equals negative 12x cubed plus 6x plus 1.5. Okay, let me get my calculator up here. I'm going to go to, let's see if I can get a bigger calculator here. A little bit bigger. So I go to y equals, type in my derivative. So I've got a negative 12x cubed plus 6x plus 1.5. Hit enter so you can get down on y2. Press Math, and if you'll cursor down, you'll see number 8. There's my in derive. So let me get back up. Okay, now I've got to type in the original, negative 3x raised to the 4th plus 3x squared plus 1.5x minus 17. Since this is the old operating system, I have to hit comma, x in my parentheses. Now I'm going to go do my second graph for the table. And if you'll notice, my y1 and y2 are the exact same thing. So that means I've got my derivative correctly. So this is just a quick way that you can check yourself if you're sort of suspicious. Like something like this, I wouldn't type it in my calculator to see if I've got it right. But there's some others, like, you know, the ones that have the negative exponents and fractional exponents. It might be nice to have a way to check. Also in the next chapter, I'll use this process to show you some formulas. So just thought I'd let you know this. Thank you. Bye-bye.